Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the SMARTDEVIL Screen Protector 3-pack for the iPhone 16. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Okay, so as we get this out of its case, really nice casing here. You'll see that it kind of comes pre-prepped, if you will. It tells you exactly what to do with a number of these. You got your instruction manual, but it comes with 3 of these. And the way we're going to kind of set it up is just utilizing this box where it's kind of in already. So you'll have 2 additionals. But what you're going to basically do is, I'm hoping you can see this, is set it up so that it's on top of that little nub for each. And you'll have these nub spaces right here, and you're just going to pop that in, and you're going to want to make sure you get your tag through the bottom like that as you put it on top of your phone. Your phone is obviously going to go right into this space. So let me just remove this sucker. And as it says, place your phone down, screen facing downwards. So this will go actually underneath your phone, sorry, and then put your phone on top of that. Follow the directions, of course. Close the cover, hold it down, pull the tab. So once we do that, the phone's going to go in there, and we're going to pull the tab, and it should hopefully release right onto the phone. We'll go ahead and try this out and see what's good. Before we do that, I did realize that there was a secondary piece to this. So you'll have a kind of a toolkit for each one of these, where I'm assuming, and there's QR codes, so hold on a second. Yeah, in each one of these, you'll have a cleaning wipe, dry wipe for screen cleaning, and then a dusting sticker, just to kind of make sure this is totally good. So we'll use one of these to get it set up. So we'll go ahead and clean up my phone, and then go ahead and show this process. All right, so this comes as a 1, 2, and 3 once you open this installation bag or kit. So the first thing you're going to do is wipe up the screen dirt utilizing your cleaning tab or cleaning wipe here. If you've ever eaten barbecue or wings or anything like that, it's essentially a little kind of mini wet one. So you're just going to want to clean up all the fingerprints and all that stuff off your phone. I do recommend you turn it off so it's not a distraction for you. Really get it nice and clean on the front. And then we're going to use number 2 to kind of just get all the junk right off of it. And if you need to do this procedure twice, go ahead and do what you got to do to try and get all your fingerprints off, all the annoyances, nice and cleaned. Try and find whatever angles you need to, see lighting or whatever, to get it kind of as you wish. And then number 3 is going to be your dusting sticker. And all you're doing here is kind of doing one of these in all the right spaces to make sure there's no dust left behind from the cleaning cloth. And once that's done, we're going to just move it over. Again, so make sure that this is notched in. If you're not notched in, it's going to be a heck of a problem. The idea is that it should match up perfectly here. So just make sure you do that. And then we're going to go face down to the best of our ability here. Really nice tight fit on my iPhone 16. And then I'm going to close it. I'm going to hold it nice and tight. All right, that's the idea. And then we're just going to pull. And eventually should peel off the top. Just going to hold that in place for a little bit. Now there may be some bubbles as we come up. Yep, there's a bubble. So what we're going to do, I'm going to just kind of work these bubbles away towards the sides as much as you can. And I'll pause this so I can do it effectively. All right, and with a little bit of pressure, just kind of work those bubbles in circles and, you know, in directionals, try and get them to the sides. And sometimes you just got to really dig in, but this is perfect. So I've got a great cover on this, no bubbles left. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.